Hi, it's Shelly and welcome to my channel. What are we doing today? In today's video, we are continuing our tour started in the last video to visit the Lady Buddha statue in the mountains near Da Nang, Vietnam. We'll also be packing up and leaving Hoi An and traveling to Ha Noi in northern Vietnam. Episode 8 in our Vietnam travel vlog, it's what we're doing today. Upon arrival to the Lady Buddha site, we were gifted with a visit from a few monkeys frolicking in the trees above. It looked like they were having a great time and they put on a wonderful show for us. The path leading down to the statue is absolutely lovely. Bonsai trees, statues, it's just beautiful. The views of Da Nang are stunning, but more of those later. We're getting our first views of the Lady Buddha. She is impressive and is the tallest Buddha statue in Vietnam at 67 meters or 220 feet tall, which is about 30 stories. We were there at sunset, and the views, wow. Completed in 2010, the statue represents the Goddess of Mercy, and she is beautiful. We spent about 30 to 45 minutes here enjoying the grounds, the views, and the temple. We then headed back to Hoi An via Da Nang. Last day in Hoi An. More great coffee and food before heading to the airport. This little pup lived in the alley on the way to our Airbnb, and we became great friends with her. She was absolutely adorable and made me miss Penny so much. We were always amazed at how much stuff one could carry on a motorcycle here. We're off to the airport. Tet is getting close, and kumquat trees are like Christmas trees back home, and there are so many of them around the city. Back to Da Nang to the airport. We're heading to the lounge for pre-flight waiting. Again, lots of food choices to get us filled up before our flight, and very comfortable lounge. Time for the gate. And we're off to Ha Noi. Legroom is pretty tight. The guy beside me was quite tall, and he was obviously struggling to fit in the seat. 3-3 seating on this Vietjet Airbus A320. Flight time is just over an hour again, and before we know it, we're coming into Ha Noi. It's looking pretty smoggy, and that will unfortunately affect our time here, as we'll discover later in the trip. Shuttle bus to the terminal, and we're on our way. The view from our balcony at night, a little loud, but once the door's closed, you don't hear too much. Quick tour of the Airbnb. We have a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom apartment here. It is really lovely. We'll be in Ha Noi for 7 nights, so this should do us fine. We're out of the main city here in Long Bien. In my next travel vlog, we'll be starting our adventures in Ha Noi. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.